the Dog Olympics. I'm your host, Sean, and Alan's not here today because he had to go get a dental cleaning. So today, we're going to have the dog race. And we have one of our dogs here, Kitty. Kitty, say hi to the camera. And we're going to, and that's Samuel. Samuel wants to say hi too. And we're going to interview Kitty and see if she wants the gold. Kitty, do you think you're going to get the gold in today's dog race?
Ah!
That's a yes by Kitty. Kitty seems to be wanting the gold, but she might be outsmarted by other dogs, like Samuel. So we're going to have to see today. Here are the rules. We're going to have the dogs on harnesses. We're going to race them with a stopwatch. The least amount of time will get gold. Second least will get bronze. Silver, I mean. Third least will get bronze. We'll see you then. Bye. So here's the course. All dogs will start at the stop sign. Then they will make their way down this sidewalk.
Come on, Riley. He's too busy looking at Andrew. 8 seconds.
Riley.
Come here. Come on, Kitty. Come on, Kitty.
Kitty.
Come on, Kitty. Come on, Kitty. Come on, Kitty. Come on, Kitty. Come on, Kitty.
Samuel.
636. 10.
Cooper. Cooper.
5.9. Go, Jesse. Come on, Jesse. Come on, Jesse.
Jesse.
I'm afraid she already lost.
Come on, Jesse. Come on. Come on. Come on. 1179.
Okay, Riley, here's the bronze medal. You did a really good job today by getting bronze, and you got silver in the last event. Do you think you're going to win for Switzerland? Okay, well, here's your bronze medal. Okay, Sam, here's your silver medal. You're definitely representing France since you didn't get a medal last time. Here's the silver. Cooper with another gold for USA. It looks like he wants to win this Olympics bad. Here's your gold medal, Coop.
Ugly.